How to fix network connection issue on Samsung after the One UI 8 update. If you're facing network connection issue, first of all, right off the update, it could be updating some things in the background. So you might want to let the phone settle, that is to wait at least a day or 2 days in order for your phone to function quite properly well again. You can try to turn on airplane mode and try to turn it off again to see if that helps you solve the problem. You can also try to forget your existing network that you're connected to, and you can try to reconnect using a newer password. If that doesn't help either, simply open up settings on your Samsung Galaxy device, scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, scroll down again and tap on Reset, then tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings if it is Wi-Fi connection issue, or mobile network settings if it's a mobile connection issue. Then tap the Reset Settings button and restart your Android device as well to see if that helps you. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.